Okay. This video is continuation of the previous video. We have solved up to 5 questions in previous video of this chapter pair of straight lines, and in this video we will solve the remaining problems 6 and 7. Okay. Let us start the solution of question number 6. So here the given equation is 2x square minus 7xy plus ky square equal to 0, and angle between the line pairs, two lines. Okay, this is I, and angle between the lines represented by equation I is theta equal to 45 degree, and this is the given information from the questions. Then we have to find the value of k. We have to find k equal to what? You can write here. Okay, so we have given angles between the line pair given by this homogeneous equation of secondary. We know that the angle is given by the relation tan theta equal to plus minus 2 root over h square minus ab whole divided by a plus b. So we have to find a, b and h. How we can find a, b and h? Think it. And this a, b is the a is coefficient of x square, h is obtained from the comparing coefficient of xy, and by square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous question of second degree in x and y. So comparing the given equation with these equations, we get the value of ABS, and in simplifications using theta equal to 45 degree, we can find the value of k. Okay, now we start our solutions. Now comparing equation I with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we get the coefficient of x square is a, here the coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of xy is 2h, the coefficient of xy is minus 7, therefore the value of h is minus 7 by 2, and coefficient of y square is b, and here the coefficient of y square is k. Okay, now the angle is given, so we use tan theta equals plus minus 2 root over h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay, now putting the values, let us do it in the other side. So tan 45 degree equals plus minus 2 the h square. Okay, h is minus 7 by 2. The h square means square of minus 7 by 2. Square of minus 7 by 2 is 49 by 4. Minus ab. A is 1. B is, A is 2 into the value of b is k. Whole divided by a plus b. So the value of tan 45 degree is 1 equals plus minus 2. So subtracting these two quantities, 49 minus 4 to the 8k divided by 4 whole by 2 plus k. Okay, so this quantity, whole quantity is within the root over By cross multiplications, we get 2 plus k equals plus minus 2 root over 49 minus 8k divided by the root over 4 is 2. Okay, this denominator becomes denominator. Now, and 2 common factor in numerator and denominator of the same fraction, so we can cancel by 1 times. So we have now 2 plus k equals plus minus root over 49 minus 8k. Since we have to find the value of k, so we have to eliminate this square root sign. So to eliminate the square root sign, we square both sides. Okay, squaring, we make a square, squaring both sides, we get 2 plus k whole square equal to, now square of plus is plus, square of minus is also plus. So we do not write the sign, we just write 49 minus 8k. And the square root lessons square equal to a itself. So the square of root over 49 minus 8k is 49 minus 8k. Okay. So now on expanding it, 4 plus 4k plus k square equals to, bringing all to the same terms, minus 49 plus 8k equal to 0. Okay. So now we write it here. And now k square k square plus 8k plus 4k, that is 12k, and minus 49 plus 4 is minus 45 equal to 0. Okay, so now we can factorize it. Plus 15k minus 3k minus 45 equal to 0. We have splitted 12k into 15 minus 3, because 15 minus 3 times equals 45, so I split 12 as a 15 minus 3. So now taking k common from these first two, k plus 15 minus 3 common from last two, k plus 15 equal to 0, because taking minus common, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So from two terms, k plus 15 is common factor, and the remaining terms are k minus 3 equal to 0. So we have two relations, either k plus 15 equal to 0, therefore the value of k is minus 15, or another is k minus 3 equal to 0, therefore the value of k is 3. Hence k equal to 3 or minus 15. This is the final answer of the solution. Okay. Now we solve the second question, that is 7. This is the long questions, both are the long questions. In previous part we have solved short questions, now it's long questions. Now solution of 7. What is solution 7? So here, first of all, we write the equations x square plus 4xy plus y square equal to 0. So let us look at these questions, x square plus 4xy plus y square. We cannot factorize it like this, because 1 times 1, 1, we cannot break that 4 into that 1 and 1. It is difficult, so we use quadratic formula to factorize it. We have a quadratic formula, and that quadratic formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, implies that x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is a formula to find the root of the quadratic equations, and we use this formula to factorize or to get the separate equations. Okay, we have to find the separate equation at first, and then okay, we have the angles also. We have to find the angles. So first we find the separate equations. To find these separate equations, we use this quadratic formula. So we make these equations to this form. We convert x square already. So 4y times x plus y square equal to 0. Okay, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1, b equal to 4y, and c is equal to y square. C is the term free of x. Okay, so C is all the terms that is free of x or constant, and b is coefficient of x. Okay, and a is coefficient of x square. That is x square is 1. So a is equal to 1. So then we have that x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So we have x is equal to minus 4y plus minus b square. Square of b, okay, is b square, and the square of 4y is 16y square. And 4, the value of a is a, and c is y square. Whole divided by 2 into 1. And this becomes now. By cross multiplications, 2x equals minus 4y plus minus 16y square minus 4y square becomes root over 12y square. So now we have 2x equals minus 4y plus minus 2 root 3y, since root 12 equal to 2 root 3. Okay, the square of y square root y square is y. So we have a common factor here, 2 to the 4, 2. So we can eliminate that 2 by dividing each side by 2. You get minus 2y plus minus root 3y. Or you can take y common. Okay, in other words, now you can do like this, taking y common, here 2y can be taken as common factor. Okay, we do like this. So this equals 2y, plus root 3y, and x equals minus 2y minus root 3y. What we have done here, since taking negative and positive sign, one plus sign, another negative sign, minus sign. Okay, this is the two separate equations. So hence the required separate equations are, hence the required separate equations are x equal to minus 2y plus root 3y. Okay, and x is equal to minus 2y minus root 3y, or in other words, taking to same side, 2y minus root 3y and x plus 2y plus root 3y equal to 0. Okay, and now taking y common, x plus 2 minus root 3 y equal to 0. and x plus 2y, taking 2 plus root 3 y equal to 0. Okay, now this is the separate equations. Yeah, it is visible. Okay, now we have to find the angle between the two line pairs. Okay, by finding the m1 and m2 we can do, but it is a pair of lines, so we use the formula of pair of straight lines. So for that, let's see here. Again, to find angles, to find angle between the pair of straight lines by x square plus 4xy plus y square equal to 0. So to find this, compare it now. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, or we get a equal to 1, 2h is equal to 4, therefore the value of h is 2, and b equal to 1. B is the coefficient of y square is 1. Okay, so then theta equals 2 root over h square minus ab by a plus b. Okay, so putting the value of as ab, x is equal to 2, the h square means square of x, that is square of 2 is 4 minus ab is 1, b is 1, so a plus 1. Okay, and this gives, okay, let us clear, we have already done this. Then theta equal to plus minus 2, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. 2 and 2 common factor from numerator and denominator cancel one times. Now we have got plus minus root 3. So we have two signs. Okay, we get obtuse and acute angle. First we find acute angle. Taking positive sign, we get tan theta equal to plus root 3, and this plus root 3 is tan 60 degrees. Since tan 60 degrees, root 3 is equal to tan 60 degree. Okay, so the value of theta is 60 degree. Now again taking negative sign, tan theta equal to minus root 3, and this equals tan 120 degree. Since minus root 3 is equal to tan 120 degree. Okay, so the value of theta is 120 degree. Hence, the required angles between the lines are 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay, this is this complete the solution of question number 7. Hence, today I have solved this 6 and 7 in this video. In previous video we have solved 1 to 5. Those problems are short questions of 2 marks, and these problems are short 4 mark questions. It's a long questions. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video.